Hello mga kadipat, this is Don Patrick D. Paragular and you are watching DPAT TV. Ladies and gentlemen, broadcasting to you live from Barangay Nanas in the city of Ordaneta and Pangasinan inside DPAT's laboratory. Don Patrick D. Paragular proudly bringing you the final round for February 2024 right here live on DPAT's Tamiya League. This is DTL SMC. Without further ado, we'll now have our Run and Gun Wednesday edition again for the last time this month of February 2024 here on DTL SMC. And let's start off our ranking phase or the group stage tonight with our race number 1 for Team Road. That is going to be Venom taking on Merrick. So in our race number 1 for Team Road, lane 2, lane 1, lane 2, lane 1 tayo. Lane 2, lane 1, lane 2, lane 1 alternate. So ang championship race will be at lane 1, yung higher seat. So to start off our Run and Gun Wednesday festivities tonight on DTL SMC, we have Venom taking on Merrick in race number 1 of 6 for Team Road in the group stage wherein Venom will start at lane 2, Merrick starting at lane 1. I repeat, it's Venom at lane 2 and Merrick at lane 1 to start their as their respective starting lanes, that is. So start off our Run and Gun festivities tonight on VPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. Here is our race number 1 for Team Road. Switch on. Ready, set, live. Smooth lang, kaya lang. Grabe, smooth. Bingo. Venom starting out with a victory over Merrick to kick off our festivities tonight on DTL SMC on a Run and Gun Wednesday evening. Next. 1-0. Alright. 1-0. Green and red. Green, very red. Next. Race number 2 will feature Mpe taking on Setsuna in our race number 2. So it's orange versus purple in our race number 2 wherein Mpe will start at lane 1 this time. Mpe will start at lane 1 and Setsuna will start at lane 2. I repeat, Mpe at lane 1, Setsuna at lane 2. So start off their race, this race number 2 for Team Road. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Oh. 2, 3, go game. Do, tabla, draw game. Unang natumba. Yan. Draw game, black ball pen. Draw. Game 3. Yan. Draw game. Alright, race number 3 na po tayo right away. Okay. Race number 3 right away, it's going to be Merrick taking on Setsuna for our race number 3 for Team Road. And in this race number 3, it's going to be Merrick starting at lane 2, Setsuna at lane 1. I repeat, it's Setsuna at lane 2 and Merrick at lane 1 being their respective starting lanes for our race number 3 for Team Road. Switch on. Ready, set, fight. Papay. Good. No hit, no hit. Last two. Final up. Biglang nagano, preno. Ano kaya yung... Biglang pumreno. Setsuna wins. Isan. Isan. Okay. Setsuna won. 1-all. 3 points agad si Setsuna. Merit, 2 talo. Next. Race number 4, right away, it's going to be Venom taking on MP. Ito, isa sa mga epic matchup din to para sa Team Road. For our race number 4, it's going to be, wait lang. Magulo. Nani? Nani? Alright. Sa ating race number 4, it's going to be MP starting at lane 2 and Venom will start at lane 1. Yan. I repeat, it's Venom. Baliktad pala, lane 1 si MP, lane 2 si ano pala? Venom, sorry. Kasi nung, ito yung top 2 na, top 2 nung nakarang Lunes, sina MP at Venom. R1 si, MP, R2 si Venom pala, no? So therefore, lane 1 kay MP, lane 2 by Venom, they're being their respective starting lanes, rather, for our race number 4, for Team Road. Tama, higher seat pa na pala si MP. Alright? It's blue versus orange here in our race number 4. Switch on. Ready, set, 5. Venom now ahead. That's anything. KO. Winner. Venom. Knockout. Hindi ko na masalo eh. Venom winner. Alright. Babalik si MP mamaya. MP lost. Venom won. Venom 2-0. 4 points against 3 points si Setsuna. Penultimate race for Team Road, it's going to be MP taking on Merrick. In our race number 5 of 6, it's going to be MP and starting at lane 2, Merrick at lane 1. So yung mga color nila, yun na rin ang kanilang mga respective starting lanes. Merrick at lane 1, MP at lane 2 to start off their penultimate race for Team Road in the group stage. Switch on. Come on, ready, set, five. Good. Go. Draw game. Draw game. Draw game. Draw game. Draw. MP, Merrick, ended in a draw. So, 2 draws. Malamang 3 and 4 na yan. Points, 2, 1. Blue pala dapat. Yan. Final race for Team Road. It's going to be the Dark Warriors, Venom and Setsuna, going at it one last time this month of February 2024 on DTL SNC. And in this race number 6, final race ng Team Road sa ating group stage, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 1, Setsuna starting at lane 2. I repeat, it's Venom at lane 1 and Setsuna at lane 2, being the respective starting lanes for our 6th and final race for Team Road in the group stage. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Yan. Yung patay. Gato. Tayo na lang. Nako. Medyo ano na yata. Venom being able to sweep the group stage with a win, with an unblemished 3 wins, 0 losses, 0 draws. No draw, no loss, all 3 victories for Venom. Knockout stage, own group stage rather. All right. So to start up their group stage, here is the first battle. Archera Myrtle taking on Artita Reka. Baliktad pala. Artita Reka taking on Archera Myrtle to start off their group stage campaign for Team Home. And in this matchup, it's going to be Artita Reka starting at lane 2, Archera Myrtle at lane 1. I repeat, it's Artita Reka at lane 2 and Archera Myrtle at lane 1 to kick off their group stage campaign for Team Home with this race number 1. Switch on. Ready, set, start. Adalah atur dan payata. Nice. Sinuwerte pa. Sinuwerte pa. Akala natin mananalo na. Pera na, naging bato pa. Malas. Pera na, naging bato pa. Let's check it on the replay. Hindi pala tayo live rewind. Dapat pala manage live rewind. Tarag. Artita Reka escaping the wrath of Archera Myrtle, winning it over. Winning this duel. Winning this duel, escaping with the win, that is. Alright. Ano ba to? Nakalimutan ko mag-on ng live rewind pala. Durug! Nakalimutan ko mag-switch ng live rewind eh. Darag! Napunta doon sa pabaw. Balas! Alright. So, loss yan kay Archera Myrtle. Then, Artita Reka winning it. Next. Race number 2 will feature Cosmo Atomica taking on Polaris. Yan. Cosmo Atomica versus Polaris for our race number 2 for Team Home. And in this matchup, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica starting at lane 1, Polaris at lane 2. I repeat, that's contrasting colors. Cosmo Atomica at lane 1 and Polaris at lane 2 to stop being the respective starting lane for our race number 2 for Team Home. Switch on. Ready, set, fight. Polaris ahead. Finally, here, let's see. Then Polaris, hold on. Oh, nice run. What a run. Polaris upsetting Cosmo Atomica to start up its group stage campaign with a victory. Alright. So susunod na yung much-awaited match-up natin. Ito na yung hinihintay nating much-awaited match-up ni na Cosmo Atomica at ni Archera Myrtle in a few moments. Tama. Alright. Race number 3, agawan sa first win between Cosmo Atomica and Archera Myrtle. Ito na yung hinihintay nating laban sa ating race number 3. Ito na yung dalawang naghahabulan ngayon dun sa aggregate scoring 7 for Cosmo Atomica, 6 for Archera Myrtle. So, whoever goes to the podium or championship race, yun yung magkakaroon ng yun yung magkakaroon ng bentahe over any of them. So, in this race number 3, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica starting at lane 2 this time, and Archera Myrtle will start at lane 1. So, same colors as parehas sila ng kulay ng starting lane. Lane 1 for Archera Myrtle being the blue, and lane 2 being red for Cosmo Atomica, for being their starting lanes for our race number 3 for Team Home in the group stage. Switch on. Ganda laban to. Ready, set, bye. Okay. 8 seconds waiting. Go in. Tabla. Tabla. Draw game. Tinecheck ko kung baka bumigay yung mga roller nila Draw. Draw. Black pen. Cosmo, Archera, draw. Next. Race number 4. Race number 4 for Team Home, it's going to be RT Tareka taking on Polaris. So in our race number 4, it's going to be RT Tareka, this time starting at lane 1. Polaris again starting at lane 2. I repeat, it's RT Tareka at lane 1 and Polaris at lane 2, being the respective starting lanes for our race number 4 for Team Home. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Good. Last finger. Line it up. Okay. Nagamat. Halimaw. Polaris, winner. Another upset victory against RT Tareka. Alright. Ayan, finals rematch na kagad tayo sa penultimate race ng ating yung mga may talo. Okay. Winner. Sino ba yung winner? Loser na muna. Natala si RT Tareka. Ang mas mabagal na nga, umimbang pa. Ano kaya yun? Sabay ganun. Ano kaya yun? Alright, penultimate race for Team Home is going to be the finals rematch from the previous championship race. From the previous championship race, that is, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica taking on RT Tareka for at least one more time. For at least lang. Baka possibly ito na yung last, or possibly the last time for this month. And in this penultimate race, for Team Home, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica starting at lane 2, RT Tareka at lane 1. I repeat, it's their identical colors, Cosmo Atomica at lane 2, and RT Tareka be starting at lane 1. Yung kanilang mga starting lanes for our penultimate race for Team Home in the group stage. Switch on. Ready, set, match. Inawal na! Inunahan na! Awal, awal! Inawal, RT Tareka! Inawal, awal na naman ni Cosmo Atomica! Mahigpit ang laban! Let's see at the final lap when Cosmo Atomica hold on to the lead. Ayun, patay, natitod! Natisod! Natisod, natapilok si Cosmo, nabawian. RT Tareka with an upset victory over Cosmo Atomica. Oh my goodness, grabe yun. Grabe yung palitan lang lamang eh. Akala natin mananalo na si Cosmo Atomica eh. Last ano na, bouncing split, biglang bogo yung nabazuka ni Cobalt B. Nabazuka ni Cobalt B. Dorog. Malas. Alright. Final race for team home. It's going to be Archera Myrtle taking on Polaris. Yan. Yeah, speaking of Madam Cobalt B, shout out to my ultimate crush and my ultimate love of my life, Myrtle Sarosa. Yan, one of my favorite cosplays niya, yung Cobalt B. Bagay na bagay sa Blue Dragon form na yung Mask Rider lipat. Iyo. Right on, sasabay, pag nagkita kami, ganun yung suot namin, sabay ka ni Rider Kick. I love ya, always forever, more matut ko. Kahit ikaw pa si Madam Porsche Tera. Alright, kay Myrtle Sarosa ko kasi pinangalan si Archera Myrtle. Actually, there are three. Archera Myrtle, Strato Hill, being the Strato Vector Speed Tech, and Myrtle Blaster being the Gunbuster XTO Speed Tech. Tapos isa sa pro stock ng FM, ito nga si Archera Myrtle. Hopefully, may balik ko siya for B-Max. Bala ko na yung isa sa mga bala kong gawing B-Max or GT-Max, B-Max, TRX Max. Yung si Archera Myrtle. Being the Blast Arrow. Alright? Sa Gitarian po kasi Zodiac sign niya, born December 7, 1994. Para sa kalaman ng lahat, yung number ni Myrtle Sarosa. December 7, 1994, therefore sa Gitarian siya. Bagay siya sa Leo na katulad po ng inyong lingkod na si Iman Aguilar, born on July 26, 1987. Alright. In our race, in our final race for team home for the group stage, it's going to be Archera Myrtle starting at lane 1 and Polaris will start at lane 2. I repeat, it's Archera Myrtle at lane 1 and Polaris starting at lane 2. Alright, let's brace ourselves for our final race for team home in the group stage. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Ayan na yung laban. Woo! Ayan na, oh. Yeehaw! Bato, dikit ang laban. At sa final lap we go, let's see who can gain the upper hand. Oh! Grabe to. Grabe yung laban yan, mga kalipat. Epic. Abulan ng abulan, palitan na naman seas of battle, tooth and nail, whatever you call it. Grabe, say what you want to say. But, man, that was outrageously epic, mga kalipat. Close gap lang po yung naging pagina. Split second late lang po si Archera Myrtle, sayang. So, medyo na-jinx ko yata. Sorry! Gomenasay! Eh, ito lang yung pagitan po nila mga kadipat. Oh. Holy smoke, grabe. Split second lang eh. Ganito lang siya eh. Na una ko nasa kaliwa. Grabe, ganito lang yung gap nila oh. Holy smoke! Holy smoke! Wow! And it's going to be Polaris sweeping the group stage for team home with an unblemished 3-0 and 0 win-loss draw record respectively. It's an unblemished 3-0 and 0. Holy smoke! Holy smoke! Grabing laban. Grabing laban. May tiebreaker tayo ngayon. Meron po tayong tiebreaker ngayon pero between Cosmo and Archera Myrtle lang. Sila lang yung contrasting color, I think sila. Contrasting color. Contrasting color sila. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali, contrasting color eh. O same color. Same color pala. Tama, contrasting color this time. So, switch lane to. Sila na naman dalawa nagtabla. They switch lane. Tama, kanina lane 1 si Archera, lane 2 si Cosmo. So, ano to? Switch lane. Contrasting color this time. Okay, tiebreaker phase for team home Yan, ano lang to, H3 at saka H4 standing. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Okay. Ayos na. Okay na yan, okay na yan. Okay na. Archer Myrtle will run and gun Wednesday action here on DTL SMC. We now have the results of group stage results. We have Venom, Setsuna, MP, and Merrick being R1, R2, R3, R4 respectively. So Venom with the sweep, undefeated in 3 races with a total of 6, perfect 6 po yan. And Setsuna splitting all of its 3, a loss, a draw, and a win with a total of 3 points, total points. MP with 2 draws and 1 loss, being R3, and R4 will be Merrick with only 1 point, 1 draw, 2 losses. So at least walang umuwing luwaan kahit paano. Alright, so on the other end, it's going to be Polaris, RT Tareca, Archera Myrtle, and Cosmo Atomica being H1, H2, H3, and H4 respectively after the result of Polaris sweeping group stage for Team Home with perfect, also likewise with Venom with perfect 3 wins, perfect 6, and it's going to be RT Tareca going to be H2 rather with 2 wins and 1 loss. Yan, the only loss being against Polaris, at the expense of Polaris. And then both Archera Myrtle and Cosmo Atomica finished 2 losses and 1 draw with 1 point apiece. Sila rin nga mismo yung nagtabla. So kailangan natin a short tiebreaker phase, and eventually after that tiebreaker phase, it's going to be Archera Myrtle emerging as H3 and Cosmo Atomica being relegated as H4 going to our knockout stage. So the pairing will be like this. The quarterfinal matchups are as follows. It's going to be Venom versus Cosmo Atomica being R1 versus H4 respectively, R2 versus H3, right? Being Setsuna versus Archera Myrtle. MP versus RT Tareca being R3 versus H2 respectively, and R4 versus H1 will be Merrick versus Polaris. Okay? Yeah, yung tiebreaker, kung meron man tiebreaker phase, isa lang. Yung all the rest, mabilis, so no problem. So without further ado, we'll now proceed right away with our knockout stage or KO stage for our Run and Gun Wednesday edition. One last knockout stage for the month of February 2024 on the track layout right here live on DTL SMC. Don Patrick D. Paragala at the call, at the helm of this Run and Gun Wednesday action here on DTL SMC. To start up, we have our quarterfinals number 1 featuring Setsuna R2 versus H3 Archera Myrtle. So sila yung unang maglaban sa ating quarterfinals round. So it's up to those two. It's up to Archera. Nasa pressure ngayon, nasa Team Home. Ang pressure ngayon nasa Team Home kung sino yung makakapasok na semis or championship yung makakadalawang panalo sa knockout stage. So, it's up to Cosmo. Ang pressure ngayon natin na Cosmo Atomica at Archera Myrtle para makapasok sa semi-finals round. Malalaman po natin in just a bit. And the starting lane for the cars will be Setsuna at lane 2. Yes, Setsuna will be at lane 2. Archera Myrtle will be at lane 1. I repeat, it's Setsuna at lane 2 and Archera Myrtle at lane 1, being their respective starting lane for our QF1. Alright. Ito wala na. Naka-English yung NA. Di ba pwede buksan? Oo. Bawal dragon spray. Malas. Alright mga ka-Dibat, we are now in our knockout stage for our Run and Gun Wednesday edition of DTL SMC. Here now is our start of quarterfinals round with our quarterfinals. Number 1. Tato ko na pala. Here now is our quarterfinals number 1. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Good. Archera Myrtle with a quick start. Last 2, magsusundan pa yata. Ay na lang. Wala na. Lane on that. Yan na yun, nasundan na. That's it. Panalo na. Panalo na. Okay na. Panalo na. Nasundan na bago pa tumalon eh. Bago pa nasansan. So, no problem na yun. Nasundan na eh. Nasundan na. Biglang nangina si Venom. Ay, si Setsuna. Durog. So, unfortunately for Setsuna will close out the month of February 2024 with a total of only 5 aggregate points. 5 aggregate points, not talagang hindi na kahit anong gawin naman nila, talagang hindi na maabot si Venom anyway. So, final score for Venom will be 5 points. 5 points, and with another opportunity to gain more aggregate points will be Archer and Myrtle moving on to the semifinals round. Congratulations. Yan. So, may chance ngayon si Archer and Myrtle. Mabuhay pa yung pag-asa ni Archer and Myrtle ngayon na maging co-champion of the month with Ben. Kasi kung makakapag 8 points siya, tapos si Cosmo Atomica biglang tanggal, ano na. Ang mangyayari dyan, mangyayari dyan, si Archer and Myrtle yung pangatlong COTM. COTM, champion of the month. Ayun. Alright. Check X pala to. Sino na talo sa Team Road? Ready, X. Red. Red mark. Setso na, red mark. Archer and Myrtle, green. Green check. Alright mga karipat, we are now in our quarterfinals number 2 featuring Venom taking on Cosmo Atomica. It's R1 versus H4 action in our QF2. And in this matchup, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 1 this time. And Cosmo Atomica will start at lane 2. I repeat, their respective colors yan. Venom at lane 1, Cosmo Atomica at lane 2 being their respective starting lane for our QF2. Alright. Ayos din ano. Amerikanong hilaw. Amerikanong hilaw yung nagsasalita eh. Tirig! Sabay na Alaska eh, no? Sabay na Alaska yung inyong likod, ano? Inasal yung sarili. Narag! Ay, meron pa ba? Yan. Alright mga kalipat, without further ado, it's now time for our quarterfinals. Number 2, switch on. Ready, set, ay! Ay, patay! Ay! Good! Suave, laptop. Ay na lang. Pero pakto na yung talan eh. Eko. Malas. And that's it for Cosmo Atomica. That's the final chance for Cosmo Atomica to add on its 7-point tally. So, but unfortunately to no avail. So it's going to be Cosmo Atomica being booted out early. So nakabawi ang Team Road this time around. And Venom will return to semifinals one last time for this month of February 2024 after ousting Cosmo Atomica. So final score for Cosmo Atomica will be 7. Final score for Cosmo Atomica, 7 aggregate points for this month. So it'll be a slim chance. Kung makuha pa ni Archer and Myrtle yung semifinals mamaya, that's it. That's it. Archer and Myrtle will be our co-champion of the month or champion of the month for Team Home. Kung sakali. Alright, next. Ops check. X pala. Sinong check? Sinong check? Venom. Cosmo out. Aray, pupo. Next. Race number 3 in our quarterfinals round will be Polaris, the top-seeded car for Team Home going up against Myrick, the Kulelat of Team Road. And in this quarterfinals number 3 matchup, it's going to be Polaris starting at lane 2 and Merrick will start at lane 1. I repeat, it's Polaris at lane 2 and Merrick at lane 1 being their starting lanes, respectively. Alright. Okay. Dragon Spread, activate. Buti pa yung Super Tooth, BS, saka BC, pwedeng mag-Dragon Spread. Alright, mga kadipat, let's get ready to rumble here in this quarterfinals number 3. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Pass time. Set, oh, winner. Winner Polaris. 1. Aray, kuko, bakit biglang nanghina yung 5:1? Biglang naipit. Ano kaya yun? Ano kaya yun? Biglang naipit. Patay tayo dyan. Di niya kaya 5:1 talaga. Naloko na. Unfortunately for Merrick, this will be the last time that we will see Merrick this month of definitely last na talaga for this month of February 2024. So, I don't know, baka balik na lang siya sa March. Let's see kung ano yung magiging lineup natin for DTL SMC later. After this live, tsaka natin malalaman kung sino talaga yung mga sino yung talaga yung pwede nating isali na 8 o higit. Hopefully merong higit, at least 8 at a time. Kahit at least 8 at a time lang muna. Tapos palit-palit. Kung sino yung manguli lahat, palit. Palit. Kung ilan yung sobra, yun ang papalitan. Yung mga nangulirat, palit. Alright, so it's going to be Polaris versus Venom in our semifinals number 2 tonight. So, ayun yung maglaban sa ating semifinals natin. Alright. Venom versus Polaris. Balik si Polaris sa ating semifinals round. Pagkakataon maka-score ulit. Kahit isa pang aggregate point. At least one more aggregate point. Let's see. At the semi-finals round. Alright, finally but not the least, our quarterfinals number 4 will feature once again. It's going to be RT Tareka versus MP. One last time for this month of February 2024. RT Tareka versus MP in our quarterfinals round. For our quarterfinals number 4, it's going to be RT Tareka starting at lane 1, MP at lane 2. H2 versus R3 po ang magiging laban natin sa ating quarterfinals number 4. R3 versus H2. Alright. So again, it's RT Tareka at lane 1 and MP at lane 2 being their respective starting lanes. Asian Windown Trust me, MP. Kasi kakailanganin ko yun sa Astriel Racing Center come March 3 and March 16. So I have to maintain all of my pro stock na and yung VMAX na bago. Si Scarlett, bagong VMAX natin will be Scarlett. Alright. Papakita natin niya sa simula ng March. Alright, mga kalipat, let's get ready to rumble for our quarterfinals number 4. Switch on. Rematch pala ito. Tingnan natin kung makabawi kay MP. Ready, set, bye. Up. Arming. Lakas. Ulit pala. Dito na lang. Ready? Okay. Ready, set, bye. Kita rin ang ahead. Okay, passing up. Balikan niyo na naman. Ay, napisod lang. Magkakan napisod kasi eh. Final lap. Okay. Tembang! Talsik sa racetrack, aray ko po, kokoro ko tumbang, burung ng ding 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 ding. K.O. Sabay ganun. So unfortunately, Lahat ng team home pasok puwera kay Venom. So, it's going to be MP who will be booted out. So, unfortunately for MP, bokya siya ngayong buwan ng Pebrero sa ating DTL SMC. Matapos patalsikin ulit ni RT Tareka. So, it's going to be RT Tareka versus Archera Myrtle for our semifinals number 1. Yeah, sila mauuna this time. Bali sila mauuna this time. Na? Yan nga mauuna. Okay, pero pwede rin yung isa din. Napahinga na rin lang isa. At least makapagpahinga ng konti. Sige, unahin na lang natin yung nasa kaliwa. Okay. So, tatlong team home at isang team road ang nakapasok again. Venom going back on its winning ways. Ano ba to? Blue. Wala nang blue. Red, meron. Red, meron. Tapos check ng iba. So, bale si Venom na nakasurvive na team, road. Alright. So, without further ado, it's now time for our semifinals round. This will feature Venom taking on Polaris. Ito na yung much-awaited bakbakan na hinihintay natin sa ating semifinals number 1. Battle of Super 2 chassis cars din. So, tatlong detihit ang nakapasok rin sa semis round. Dalawang Super 2, isang MA at isang Super Double X chassis. Alright. So, in our semifinals number 1, it's going to be Venom versus Polaris. And the starting lanes of these cars will be Venom at lane 2. And Polaris, hindi, pareho pa lang Yes, tama. Lane 2 si Venom, Polaris lane 1. Pareho sila na top-seeded car sa kanilang respective group. Parehong undefeated, 3-0. Pero, kung ang pagbabasehan natin dito mga kadipat ay ang kanilang aggregate scoring this month, si Venom ang pinakalamang na lamang dyan, 13 against 1. So therefore, kay Venom ang higher seed. Therefore, Venom will start at lane 2, Polaris at lane 1. I repeat, it's Venom at lane 2, Polaris at lane 1. Yan. Yung po yung pagbabasehan natin. Isang third place finish lang yung natapos ni Polaris. Okay? Raising pa yung down thrust mismo, baka mamaya na pala. Wala. Alright. Okay. Pwesto na natin yung mga auto kasi DPE sila. Venom at lane 2, Polaris at lane 1. Alright mga kadipat, we are now in our semi-finals round of the knockout stage for our Run and Gun Wednesday evening here on DTL SMC. Here now is our semi-finals number 1. Switch on. Ready, set, fight. Parehong multaya. Polaris with a big start. Venom trying to catch up. Hinabol niya! Hinabol! Woohoo! Final lap. Let's see if Polaris can hold on to the lead. Oh, what a move! Oh, what speed and stability displayed right there by Polaris against Venom. What an upset! Wow! Grabe yun, mga kadipat! Another epic battle of Super 2 chassis machines. At the same time, talagang toe-to-toe, seesaw battle, walang gustong magpaiwan, ibang klase. Nakita po natin doon mga kadipat. Wow! What a way to end February 2024 with a bang! And that's going to be Polaris. It's going to be Polaris who will get that nail-biting victory over Venom to enter the championship race for the first time ever. Kauna-una ng pagkakataon in the history of DPAT's Tamiya League, Polaris will enter championship race if I'm not mistaken. I think that's only the first time or second time, maybe. Kung nag-finals din siguro, baka matagal na panahon din siguro. Baka last 2023 pa, I don't know. Hindi ko pa na-review kasi yung DTL SMC. So, maybe at least the first time. Well, first time in a long while for Polaris to enter the championship race. Grabe! Grabe yung grabe yung naging laban nila ni Venom, ibang klase. But Venom at least hindi basta bumigay, hindi basta binigay yun ni Venom kay Polaris ha. Hindi halatang hindi benta yon. Talagang walang benta. Bawal kasi dito yung benta sa Dipats Tamiya League. Walang game fixing dito. Yan ang talagang panigurado dito, walang game fixing. Walang game fixing to. Talagang sisiguraduhin nating patas at maganda yung laban. Talagang marangal. Bakbakang umatikabo. O bakbakang umatikabong walang daya. Ayun. Alright. We are now in our semi-finals number 2 as RT Tareca will take on Archera Myrtle. It's H2 versus H3 for our semi-finals number 2. And in this matchup, ito na yung greatest chance, ito na yung best chance ngayon ni Archera Myrtle to clinch the champion of the month for February 2024 for Team Home. Kung makakapasok siya ng finals, lalamang na siya at least ng 1 point kay Coach Atomica. So, 7-6 ang score. Pag nakapasok ng finals si Archera Myrtle, meron siyang 8 points at least. 8 or 9 points may uwi niya pag nag-championship race siya. So, it's up to us ngayon paano natin gagalingan bago gagalingan ni Archera Myrtle ito. Yan. Hindi na tatanggal yung Ako naloko na. Patay! In our semifinals number 2, it's going to be RT Tareca starting at lane 1, Archera Myrtle at lane 2. I repeat, it's Archera Myrtle at lane 2, RT Tareca at lane 1 being their respective starting lanes. Alright mga kadipak, let's get ready to rumble here in this semifinals number 2. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Tumakit lang. Atito, last 2. Malas. Ay na. Tumut lang. So it's going to be RT Tareca versus Polaris. So Team Home na naman ang maglalaban sa championship race. Team Home pa rin naman talaga, actually. Team Home pa rin talaga. Team Home na nga pala, sorry. Alright, so unfortunately for Archera Myrtle, natalo siya kay RT Tareca. Unfortunately, si RT Tareca ang papasok ulit ng ating championship race. So 4 or 5 ang final score nitong si RT Tareca going to the championship race against Polaris. Si Polaris naman ay 2 or 3 or 4 points. 3 or 4 points ang final score ni Polaris pagpasok ng championship race. 2 plus 2 or plus 3 kasi kapag championship race. So ngayon, makapasok ng finals, ang final score niya will either be 3 or 4. Si RT Tareca naman 4 or 5. And itong si Archera Myrtle naman, ang final score niya will either be 7 for Archera Myrtle or will it be 14 for Venom? So malalaman na natin yan agad-agad sa ating race for third between Venom and Archera Myrtle. For our race for third, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 2, Archera Myrtle this time starting at lane 1. Kasi H3 po si Archera Myrtle, third seed. Si Venom naman ay top seed ng kanilang grupo. Top seed ng Team Road against third seed ng Team Home ang labanan sa ating race for third. Yeah. I repeat, it's Venom at lane 2, Archera Myrtle at lane 1 being their respective starting lanes. Yan. Ay, pipihit pala, no? Dito ko na nilalagay. Alright, mga kadipak, without further ado, it's now time for our race for third. This Run and Gun Wednesday evening of February 28th, 2024. Once again, happy birthday to former Secretary Mickey Lokyong Mamasig. Yan, happy birthday ngayong araw na ito, Feb 28. And also to Architect Jetro Soriano as well, ngayong Feb 28 pala, birthday din. Alright, here now is our race for third. First to 6 laps, switch on. Battle of the Prodigal Blues. Ready, set, bye. Good. Then ahead. After able to catch up. Now to have to leave. Oh, unfortunate. Final lap. Wow, what an ending. What an ending to that race for third, and what a way to close out our February 2024 edition of DTL SMC. Grabe! Pakita natin naman just when we thought Archer Myrtle will gain the upper hand, but unfortunately, too much momentum at it. It was just too much momentum, therefore, out of stability. Biglang naging out of character in terms of stability si Archer Myrtle. And it's going to be Venom finishing February 2024 with a final score of 14, making it the champion of the month for February 2024 overall. Yan. So, final score ngayon kay Archer Myrtle will be 6 points. And Cosmo Atomica will gain the other champion of the month, being the highest scorer for Team Home. Si Cosmo Atomica makakakuha ng isa pang champion of the month. Alright. Ibang klase. Dito na natin ilalagay sa yan sa may ilaw. Dito na lang. Yun. Nice. For the second place must be gold. Third. First John. Third John. Okay. So, ang final score pala, idadali natin si Cosmo Atomica mamaya. Yung mga naglaban sa quarterfinal, sila rin pala magiging co-champions of the month. Kasi pag group stage po mga palipat, isa sa Team Home, isa sa Team Road ang magiging champion of the month. If ever. No? Pag group stage. Pero kung individual, siyempre, kung sino yung marami na score sa 8, o di yun ang kung individual, kung team, kung group stages involved, yan. Yung tawag doon, tig-isa. One from Team Home, one from Team Road. Alright, so culminate our festivities for our Run and Gun Wednesday edition of DTL SMC. Here now is our championship race between the top 2 cars at the end of group stage for tonight. For Team Home, it's going to be Polaris taking on our Tito Reka. Alright, two unusual finals championship contenders going at it in our last championship race for the month of February 2024. And in this final matchup for this month, it's going to be Polaris starting at lane 1, Artita Reka at lane 2. I repeat, it's Polaris at lane 1 and Artita Reka at lane 2 being their respective starting lanes. Maganda naman to. Can Polaris close out this month of love with a championship tonight? Or will Artita Reka this time settling a score in its second straight finals appearance? We'll find out here in a few seconds. Yeah. Alright mga kadipat, without further ado, it's now time to brace ourselves for our championship race, final championship race of February 2024 here on DTL SMC. First to 6 laps, switch on. Ready, set, bye. Final lap. Oh my goodness. Oh, ho, 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 ho. What a finish. What a finish for our Run and Gun Wednesday evening here on DTL SMC. Grabe mga kadipat ng tapos nun ni Polaris. Just when we thought Polaris was about to course up, but somehow managed to hold on to the track wall and bringing it back on track to close out the final lap and eventually winning the championship For the first time in the history of DPAT's Tamiya League, finally, Polaris gaining a championship for to close out. What a way to end February 2024 for Polaris with a championship victory against RT Tareka. What an upset. Grabe to. What a way to end the month with a championship despite being too late to catch up with other leading cars on aggregate scoring for this month. Ibang klase. Wow! Wow! Congratulations! Oh my goodness. Grabe to. Ibang klase talagang running gun Wednesday natin for to close out the month of February. Mga kadipat, here are the podium finishers to close out February 2024 dito sa DTL SMC. Itong mga yung tatlong nakahilera ngayon ay ating mga podium finishers. Let's start off with our new champion, Polaris. Congratulations to Polaris being the first time champion here on DTL SMC, finally nailing it. Polaris finally nailing a championship in the history of DPAT's Tamiya League. Ibang klase. Wow! Sa wakas, nakuha rin ang swerte. So, final score for Polaris this month of February 2024 will be 4 points pala. 2 or 3 pala, no? Plus 2 or plus 3. 1 point lang siya. Talagang 1 point lang all through. Hanggang sa nag-champion uli. Ano na to? 1-0. Plus 3. 4 points. Final score niya will be 4 points. But maybe not good enough para habulin sina Archera Myrtle, Cosmo Atomica at si Venom. But at least ending the month with a bang, with the championship, at least. Maganda na rin yun. What a better way to win it than winning the champion of the month for now, para kay Polaris. Alright, let's see kung magtutuloy-tuloy yung kanyang momentum going to the next races here on DTL. Alright, next, second placer, another second place finish for RT Tareka being final score of 4 points din. Tabla sila ni Polaris pala with identical 4 points apiece. Pero syempre si Polaris ang aangat doon sa rango na yan. Alright. So RT Tareka, another back-to-back second place finishes to close out the month of February here on DTL SMC with a final score of 4 points this month. And our champion of the month, third placer for tonight's race day, but good enough being the champion of the month with the highest aggregate points scored. Venom with a total of 14 after finishing third. 13 siya coming into tonight's race day dahil nakalimang sa first 5 kasi o higit kalahati ng race kasi majority of February finals kasi ang napapasok ni Venom. So minsan 2, minsan 3, minsan 2, minsan 3. Ganun yung nangyari. With 2 of 3, 2 of 5 na panalunan, 2-3 ang win-loss record niya sa finals. So, 2 times 3, 6 plus 6, 12. Tapos nag-third uli nung game 6. Nung game 7, natanggal ng maaga. Tapos sa game 8 ngayon, bumawi, race for third, nanalo. So, therefore, total of 14 para kay Venom. Top scorer for this month of February 2024 here on DTL SMC. Champion of the month din. Alright. So, yan mga kadipat, ang final score na po natin, Venom with the highest score, highest aggregate points scored with 14, and Cosmo Atomica in second with 7, and then third tied at third sina Archera Myrtle at Papa Roach. Third talaga over si Archera Myrtle dahil nag-champion din. Third siya. Dalawang championship, tapos si Papa Roach isa lang, isang championship, tatlong third place finishes, kaya mas mataas si Archera Myrtle dahil dalawang championship. Tinalo si Venom parehas. Yung dalawang talo ni Venom sa finals kay Archera Myrtle yung nakuha. Tapos yung dalawang panalo naman ni Venom sa magkaibang kalaban, si Merrick at Setsuna. Tapos natalo rin kay Setsuna nung una. So ganun po yung nangyari. Alright. So third si Archera Myrtle with 6, Papa Roach at fourth also with 6. Then number 5 will be sino ba may 5 points? Setsuna. Number 5 will be Setsuna with a total of 5. Si Polaris at RT Tareka tied at number 6. But Polaris will have a championship in a third.
place finish with a total of 4. So, solo 6. Number 7, si RT Tareca with 4. And then Merrick will be number 8 with 2. And who else? Sino ba yung nakascore? McLaurin, MP, Metal Demeter. Wala na. O, yun yung mga nakascore ngayong buwan. Yun lang. Sila lang yung top 8. That's it. Hindi natin babanggitin yung ibang nabukya. Sina MP, Metalder, Neon Sara, at si McLaurin, wala pong na-score na kahit isang aggregate point this month. Alright. So, yan po yung final score for the month of February 2024. At yan, yan nga yung ating mga podium finishes for tonight. At idadali naman natin si Cosmo Atomica rito. Wait lang. Ayan. Okay. So, dadali natin dito. Yan. Ito po yung ating mga champion of the month. Mga champions of the month to. Sa Team Road ay si Venom. At sa Team Home ay si Cosmo Atomica. So, ito yung mga champion of the month po natin. Highest for Team Home, si Cosmo Atomica. Highest for Team Road and highest overall will be Venom. So, doblado ni Venom si Cosmo Atomica. So, dun sa unang natin ng DPATS Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference, sila yung co-champions of the month. October, si Venom ang champion of the month. Ngayon naman, balik group stage tayo, sila ulit ang champion of the month. Alright, so far, dalawa pa lang ang nagiging champion of the month sa DTL SMC. And there you have it mga kadipat. These are our co-champions of the month this February 2024, and this will close out our Run and Gun Wednesday evening here on DTL SMC for February 28, 2024. Once again mga kadipat, kita-kits tayo sa March for another set of the Mini 4-wheeler racing action on a new track layout beginning March 4, 2024 here on DTL SMC. And once again, this has been yours truly, Don Patrick D. Palaguilar, your host, your racer, marshal, producer, and director at the same time. Yan, signing off for now. And again, thank you so much to all who watch. And whoever will watch anytime, walang sawang suporta po ninyo. Maraming salamat po sa patuloy na tumatangkilik sa DPATS Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. For now, Stock Motor Conference lang muna tayo. And come May 1, 2024, sana nga po may simulan na po natin, ma-resume na po natin talaga yung DPATS Tamiya League Season 4. Alright. So once again, I remind everyone to stay safe and healthy, avoid negative vices and especially drugs, that is, and get yourselves protected from all those negativities at all times and at all costs. Muli pa mga kadipat, to God be all the glory and honor. God bless to all of us. God bless our beloved Maharlika Nation, and God bless the entire world and all of us Filipinos across the globe. Muli po, ito pong inyong punong lingkod, D. Pat Aguilar, leaving you a pleasant Run and Gun Wednesday evening to all of you. And as always, mahalin po natin ang Pilipinas at sama-sama po tayong bumangon muli at ipakita at ipagmalaki sa buong mundong tayo ay Pilipino. Isigaw na malakas ang ating panalo, taos puso at taas noo kahit kanino. Once again, this has been another presentation of another exciting Tamiya Mini 4-wheeler racing action right here on DPATS Tamiya League. This is DTL SMC Stock Motor Conference. Once again, this has been Don Patrick D. Palaguilar saying, Shukran and Tusentak for watching. God bless everyone at makita-kits tayo ulit sa March 4. For now, God bless po sa lahat and it's good night.